The new REDMAGIC Pro gaming flagship was introduced on November 13th and expanded its presence with a global launch on December 3rd. Early adopters can now order the phone and pick up an early bird deal. First, more about the phone. The REDMAGIC 10 Pro is a phone built for gaming from the ground up. At its heart is the new Snapdragon 8 Elite, but unlike other models that use the Elite chip, this one is actively cooled. The built-in fan reaches 23,000 RPM while keeping the noise low. This year REDMAGIC borrowed an idea from gaming laptops and applied liquid metal to improve the heat transfer from the chipset to the heatsink. That's a first in the smartphone market. REDMAGIC calls this the IceX cooling system. For smartphone gaming, the screen is everything. It serves both as a display and as an input device. The phone does include a pair of shoulder buttons, which can be assigned to in-game functions. REDMAGIC worked with BOE to craft a custom 6.85-inch 1:216x2 688px OLED display with 144 Hz refresh rate. It's a perfect rectangle and engineers managed to squeeze its bezels down to just 1.25 millimeters. This boosted the screen-to-body ratio to 95.3%. The selfie camera is hidden under the display, so it doesn't overlay game graphics and UI. Like the front, the back is perfectly flat and protected with glass. There is no camera bump here. Protruding lenses can make the phone awkward to hold horizontally for long periods of time. REDMAGIC still managed to fit in a pair of 50MP cameras, wide and ultra-wide, in a device that measures just 8.9 millimeters. And this is an actual thickness of 8.9 millimeters. Most other phones leave the protruding lenses out of the thickness measurement. The phone is equipped with a massive battery with 7,050 mAh capacity and supports 100W fast charging. A dead battery can be charged to 50% in just 11 minutes. A full 100% charge takes 30 minutes. The REDMAGIC 10 Pro can be configured with up to 24 GB of fast LPDDR5X RAM. Storage capacity goes up to 1 TB and it's the latest UFS 4.1 Pro standard, which is only now reaching the market. Read and write performance is 36% higher compared to the UFS 4.0 typically found in 2024 flagships. Check out our review for an in-depth look into the phone. Here are the early bird offers. All it takes is $1. If you spend $1 now, you will get a $30 coupon. If you jump in between today and December 17th, you will get not only the $30 coupon, but also exclusive more stickers and one-day early access, meaning that you will get the phone before anyone else. From December 18th, the REDMAGIC 10 Pro will be available to all from the company's online store at a price of $649. Head over to REDMAGIC's site to claim the early bird offer.